Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set time limit on apps on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll to the bottom and tap Use Screen Time Passcode. Set a passcode to prevent unauthorized changes. Follow the prompts to set up a recovery option. Scroll to the top and tap App and Website Activity. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Turn this feature on if it is not already. Tap App Limits under the Limit Usage section. Tap Add Limit. Choose an entire category, example, social, or select specific apps, example, Instagram. Tap Next in the top right corner. Set the daily time limit. Enable block at end of limit to restrict access once the time is up. Customize the limit for specific days if needed. Tap Add to save. After reaching the limit, the app will be locked. You can either exit the app or tap Ask for more time if applicable. And that's everything you need to know about how to set time limit on apps on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.